I don't think that's how it's supposed to be.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I opened it all the way and it fell through. I don't know if that's supposed to happen. Hope, hope. Take number 3.
A few moments later.
Okay, I think I got it, guys, because it kind of went in the way. Yeah, man. Oh, so I think I have to put it in while it's off, so it gets stuck right there. You close the latch. Turn it on. Wait for that thing to stop beeping. Put our glass here. Okay. Okay. Now we can press. And then when you open it, you heard that? Like a shotgun shell. After adding a bit of milk and sugar. A bit too much sugar, but it's really sweet.
One eternity later.
Now my baby is gonna try my over sugar coffee because the jar went like an avalanche. Like it was like very compact. Yeah, you could try it. It was very compact, and I had to like break it up with with a fork, and then like I tilted it over. It was fine, and then it just like avalanched.
Tastes like I'm eating real life sugar.
You like it though. You like it too.
I like it.
Maybe because I want to shake a little bit. You see, that's how much sugar there is there.